My name is Dave Farragher, so I'm the founder of Wild Horse Brewing Co. We're based in Llandudno on the North Wales coast. We started in 2015 with a tiny kit that brewed 80 litre batches. About a year later, Chris Wilkinson started with us, who's now our head brewer. We now have 8 members of staff, and we're about to add another member of staff in a couple of weeks' time. It's fantastic to be nominated for the Food Skills Cymru section of the Lantra Awards. Have helped us with lots of different training courses for our staff. So it's been anything from sort of warehouse equipment training and management / leadership training, all the way through to like the more technical side, so brewing skills, and then more recently we've actually done an entire team training day, which has been beer sensory analysis training, so helping our team to detect like off flavours and problems with beers that might arise during the brewing process, but also helping us to actually profile our beer and pull out different flavours in order to kind of describe it better. This training can be quite expensive, so to have the support from Food Skills Cymru to allow us to perhaps put our staff through training that we wouldn't be able to otherwise has been hugely beneficial.